DeFi Income Investor Update. Today is October 27th, and today we had a flat return. Our current expected weekly dividend is 1.58%, and the current share price is at $1,080. Now, when we issue our first dividend, that will go back to $1,000. Currently, this is $158 of income per $10,000 invested, paid out as a dividend every Friday. Hands-free passive retirement income. In this table, we provide a breakdown of the returns over time. In the share price column, you can see we started at 1,000, had a tiny drawdown of 0.9% the first day, and then have climbed ever since up to 1,080. The farm value is how much capital we're putting to work in markets as a market maker. And you can see this has climbed from 30,000 to 32,000 in the first 17 trading days. The hedge value is where we're shorting Ethereum to protect against downside risks. And you can see it's had some pretty wild swings, going as low as 1506 and as high as 7,393. This is how we're able to create a very stable share price while collecting daily fees. The greatest fees we've collected in a single day were $502. Yesterday was a low liquidity day with only 156 collected, and the 1,057 print was actually over a weekend. In this table, we're looking at the volatility of the assets we're holding and looking at the drawdown reduction. So in most cases, we've been able to almost completely eliminate all drawdown with our hedging strategy. In this table, we can see the share price over a daily basis, and the greatest drawdown we've had in a single day was 0.95%, which was quickly made back the next day with a 1.59% return. Our greatest return in a day was 2.44%. Here's a few charts of the assets we're providing liquidity to, and it's just to give you an idea of how volatile these assets are and how amazing it is that we can keep a steady share price while collecting trading fees to pay out to shareholders as a weekly dividend. Ethereum's had a range of 18.5% since our strategy has been live. Pendle has had a volatility range of 29.84%. Matic has had a trading range of 7%. In this table, we're looking at the liquidity or farm value of 32,000, and you can see our current hedge value is at 26,198 using a slight amount of leverage. This is allowing us to have a very steady share price with low risk to the downside. This is the DeBank page, which shows our assets on the blockchain. If you just click the link below and sign up for the daily update, you can get this link and verify all our assets on your own. What's the catch? We can only accept $5 million to continue these high levels of returns. There's only so much liquidity in the markets currently, and that's what we're looking at capping at this point in time. Disclaimer, investing is risky and you can lose money. Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, that's into the video. If you want to get this update daily to your email, click the link below and then fill out the form. Type in your name, email, and phone number, and then get started now. Dean Gallagher will call you to walk you through our whole system A to Z, and you could start receiving your first dividend next week.